Hello, welcome back. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about being prepared. Now, yes, I was a Boy Scout, so yes, being prepared is like perhaps in my nature. It was drummed into me at a very early age. But as a presenter, preparation will really aid confidence. And probably the biggest thing I get asked to help people with when they're presenting is their confidence. Now, people think, oh, it's all about nerves. Well, yeah, but in fact, if you are prepared, there's no reason to be nervous, or far less reason to be nervous, because you've thought about things, you're prepared for it. Now, preparation will take a number of different forms. I think one of the first things to do is just have a checklist of all the things you need to know, such as, what am I being asked to present on? Who am I presenting to? What's their current knowledge? What are they expecting of me? What would be a good outcome for this presentation? What technology is available to me? Is this online? Is this offline? Am I able to use slides? So having a checklist that you can just tick off to make sure you know all these things will really help. And in fact, if you're going somewhere other than your own office to present, just simple as, where am I going? You know, what's the postcode of the venue? What time do I need to be there? All those sorts of things will really help in your preparedness. Preparation then is also about thinking quite long and hard about what you want to say, what you want to achieve. And I've spoken in other videos about setting objectives for your presentation. And in fact, I have now put up a speaker's checklist on my website, getyourvoiceheard.co.uk. You're very welcome to go on there and download it. And that is just a 2-page PDF. You can either use it electronically and actually tick it automatically, or print it off and tick it off. And it's just all the things that I think you need to be doing to be prepared for your next presentation. Now, I'm going to explore some of this in some future videos, because I think this is actually really important and something that a lot of people just never really think about. They dive straight in to generating content. But preparedness, say, will add to your confidence, because if you know you've got this, you know you're ready, you've got far less reason to be nervous. So be prepared, be a Boy Scout, download the list on getyourvoiceheard.co.uk and have a look, and let me know if you've got any questions. Is there anything you think I've missed off that list that people should be doing to prepare for a presentation? I'll look forward to hearing from you.